Hello, I noticed your question on the discussion board, and I like it when students work it out on a piece of paper. So here I have it, and I'm doing a video also. The question mentions that Z varies jointly as Y and W. If more specifically, if Z equals 273 when W equals 13 and Y is 7, find Z when W is 40 and Y is 8. So in this first line, it's giving you this equation: Z equals K times W times Y. And then in this line here, they give you the values of Z, W, and Y. And so you multiply here, and that's 91. Then you divide 273 by that, and so you can find the value of K, which is 3. So I put in 3 for K. And then this last line, they give you the values of W and Y and asked you for Z. So I put in the 40 and the 8, and I multiply, and I get Z comes out to 960. Hope this helps.